Signs you might need a garage door repair. Noisy.
Oh, howdy, neighbor. I couldn't help but noticing when you opened up your garage door, it sounded like someone was torturing a cat.
Keypad or remotes not working. Garage door doesn't open. Opener still makes noise, but nothing happens. Garage door doesn't want to close. Up stop. Garage door comes up a little bit and then stops. If your garage door needs help, please call us at 973-227-3369 or visit us online at doortodoordesign.com.